Jam-Pack Jason gearing up for the 2022 spring. We had one hell of a mild winter, so I still think we have some snow coming at some point before the official spring, but we always get a fake spring, it seems, sometimes on these mild winters. But we got a lot of shit to do, guys. We got to switch. We packed the mill bearings in the 6600. I did not get the footage I wanted. It's kind of hard to record when your hands are full of grease. But both sides of the bearings on the 6600. This is the 3400 Morbark. This one only calls for the roadside bearing to have packed full of grease. We need to switch the screens, flip the cutting edge. I don't know if we're gonna get, I don't know how much of this I'm gonna film. Again, it's hard to pack bearings when your hands are full of grease, but man, I'd like to get something. I mean, it's something that I would like to show. Changing screens, I could probably get that, flip the cutting edge. We'll see something, guys. Jam-Pack Jason getting ready, trying not to get caught with the pants down for the spring. Stay tuned. He's already got the hood open, but all you do is first you unlatch your middle door so the chains can come down and hoist these screens out. And then he undid the rest of the hood, lifted it up. Now we're gonna chain hoist these screens out because they're heavy and because why not? And just stay tuned and we're gonna show you how it's done. So what he's doing now, it's nothing related to changing screens, but he's just cleaning out a couple of ports where the water and color comes through our hood and helps color the mold. We're just cleaning them out because, well, now's the time when the hood's open. So that's all that is. Then we're going to, after he's done with that, we're going to lower the hood, button everything up, close the door, button that up, and the screens are changed. And like I was saying earlier, we still need to just flip the cutting edge, pack the bearing. There's a lot to do before spring hits, but just thought I'd share this with you guys. Oh, come on.